Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Transit 350. The Transit 350 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, power windows, power steering. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.